We've got engines responding from all across the city. The first engine company is going to call in a working fire. As they arrive on scene, the captain riding in the front seat is going to try and get a good look at the entire situation, decide what kind of resources he needs. The engineer is going to find the perfect spot to park his apparatus so that you guys can see what he's doing. And so that hose lines can come cleanly off the engine, make it to the fire. And the firefighters are going to choose their equipment and decide how they're going to best make fire attack in this situation. It's a little bit of a clown car today because we got all our fire explorers piling out of that thing, pulling hoses, getting ready to go to work. Typically, we'd see firefighters stepping off of that engine and getting ready to go to work.
From engine 101. On scene, we have a medium, 2-story residential. We have a four-wheel garage, small garage fire. It looks like it extended into the house. Getting it working upstairs. We want to tap up to the house inside of the structure. And the offensive strategy for establishing LIC.
So, what did Captain Matt just say? He was reporting the conditions that he found upon his arrival so that all the responding apparatus and other engine companies coming to the scene are going to know what they're showing up to. He reported they have a working fire in the garage, it's extended into the house, and he's establishing an incident. Engineer Rourke just blasted the horn saying that he's ready for water while the Explorer, the hydrant, is opening it up. Those hydrants are going to flow enough water so that they can operate attack lines to effectively fight the fire. See the Explorer with the BA on, that pack on his back, at the garage door, getting ready to flow some water, calling for water. The engineer's busiest guy in the fire ground right now. He's got 3 or 4 people that are all trying to get stuff done for him. Captain Matt's walking the whole scene, deciding what he's going to need next. He's got people going to the front door that are getting ready to go inside and attack that fire directly. If you look up top, the truck company has showed up. They spotted on the back side of the house and have made it to the roof. Why would they go to the roof? The fire's downstairs. Well, in this scenario, the fire has extended up through the wall and into that story, and they need to let the heat and the smoke out. That makes firefighting conditions for the first floor crews a whole lot easier when they can see what they're doing and when it's not as hot inside. It lets those hot gases come out like a chimney. If you look down the street, you'll see an ambulance standing by. Our ambulance are staffed with 2 firefighter paramedics. They're prepared to care for any victims that are found inside the house or any injured firefighters, and also add to the firefighter count on the scene to provide more fire suppression personnel if we need them. So it looks like our exterior crews are starting to get a handle on the garage fire. The crews that were sent inside have made a good fire attack. The smoke conditions are starting to lessen because the truck company has opened up that roof and let all the hot fire gases out to make working conditions easier. They're going to set up a great big fan with a blower at the front door to pressurize all the smoke and push it out of the house. Interior crews have located a victim. They brought him outside. They're going to call the paramedics that are standing by to come take care of that person, assess them, treat them for any burn injuries, inhalation injuries, get them immediately down to the burn center at UCSD. So everybody you see running around in an orange helmet are fire explorers. These are students, kids from the local communities that have an interest in public service in the future and want to get exposed to what life is like in the fire department. And you can see that some of the skills that they've learned are getting put to good use today. They do actually ride along on our fire engines and do get assigned to do work on fire grounds for us. Always in an exterior capacity outside where it's the most safe form of work. Get a whole bunch of excitement today for the simulated fire. And like I said at the onset, this is a team effort. You saw how much work got done so quickly, and that's by virtue of everybody knowing what their jobs are and knowing what's going on by good communication. All right, the engine company that's got IC just declared fire contained. And we can say that this fire's out. They're going to remain on scene for probably a few hours doing what we call overhaul, making sure that it's not going to come back. We found every little bit of heat in that structure and put it out. Secure the scene, locate the homeowner, turn the residents over to the owner for them to begin the rebuilding process. So as they start to pack up their hose lines and wrap it up, let's give them a round of applause. Captain Matt put this whole thing together for you guys today. He was the man when it comes to open house. So all the apparatus you see, everything that's out here today, not only did he run the fire, but he also ran this whole show for you. So let's give it up for him. A lot of work. Guys, take any questions? Anybody want to know anything about what they just saw that didn't make sense? All right, we got one over here. Okay. Oh, where did the Avatar go? Hopefully the SWAT team took it with them, otherwise they're going to have to buy a new one because it's probably got melted.
It's on fire.